On August 5th, 2025, nature struck again in the hills of Uttarakhand. A sudden flash flood triggered by intense rainfall hit Dharali village in Uttarkashi district, wiping out roads, bridges, hotels and lives. The Khirganga river swelled uncontrollably, turning a pilgrimage route into a path of destruction. But what exactly happened? And why is this region constantly at risk? Let's first understand what unfolded. On 5th August, torrential rain hit Dharali and Harsal region in Uttarkashi. A cloudburst was initially suspected as 210 millimeters of rainfall was recorded in just a few hours. The result? A powerful flash flood that swept away dozens of buildings and bridges. Sadly, several lives were lost, including tourists and pilgrims. Rescue operations were led by Army, SDRF, NDRF, ITBP and local authorities, but progress was slow due to blocked roads, falling rocks and bad weather. But what is this cloudburst? A cloudburst is a rare but deadly phenomena. It refers to intense localized rainfall, usually over 100 millimeter in an hour, often occurring in mountainous regions. In such cases, land cannot absorb the water and river swell rapidly, leading to flash floods. But here is the twist. This time, IMD recorded only 27 millimeters of rainfall in some areas, suggesting there might have been a glacial lake outburst or landslide dammed lake collapse. Experts are still analyzing the exact cause. Now, the question is why Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are prone to cloudburst. So, reason 1, steep terrain. Moist monsoon winds are forced to rise sharply over the mountains, dumping heavy rain in concentrated areas. Reason 2, monsoon branches. The Bay of Bengal branch and the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon meet at the Himalayan foothills of these states, providing much of the moisture-laden winds that rises steeply. Reason 3, the Himalayas are geologically young and fragile, which means slopes are easily eroded, which trigger landslide. Reason 4, climate change is intensifying extreme rainfall events due to warmer air holding more moisture. And reason 5, obviously, human interference. Deforestation, unplanned roads and construction in eco-sensitive zones reduce regions' natural ability to cope. Together, these factors turn a cloudburst into a catastrophe. This disaster is more than just a natural tragedy. It's a warning that our development must respect the fragility of the Himalayas. We need better forecasting, resilient infrastructure, and most importantly, sustainable planning. Because in these mountains, nature always has the final word.